Hello, good evening, my YouTube friends. I hope you all have a nice evening. I'm back to my channel again to bring another recipe. It's called Tinola. So, just recording my Tinola recipe. Here, my chopped onion, chicken, cabbage, and potato. I will use these all things today. So my pan already is hot, so I just add my onion. I just fry my onion little bit, make brownie. Then later you can add your chicken. It's very easy to cook, so I will show you one by one what I really add inside the chicken. This is my chicken, and this is my chopped potato. I will add later, and this is my cabbage. I hope you like it, my recipe. I'm just recording to share with you all my chicken recipe, the tinola recipe. It's called chicken tinola. I hope you all like it, my recipe. Please like, share, and comment. So you can add your chicken now because onion is almost done. You fry your chicken proper, otherwise get the smell, and when chicken get the smell, the eating time you not feel happy, you're not enjoying your tinola. So you have to fry proper, fry, very good fry. Chicken get little bit red brownie, then you can add later whatever you like to add. It's normally, this is my chicken tinola, also my favorite. So it's very healthy also. I don't like really masala things, so all my cooking videos always it's very simple and easy. It's very easy to cook, it's very simple to make also. I hope you guys like my chicken tinola recipe. By the way, this is a Filipino dish, so I always cook the different countries food to try and taste how they eat, what kind of flavor they cook. I like to try every country's food. So here, this is Filipino food actually. So now I add my potato. You can cook proper your chicken, and then almost chicken is cooked, and then you add your potato, then just 5 minutes little bit fry with chicken. Then you can add your soup. It's like a soup. This kind of food is like a soup. So for the older people, it's very easy to cook for these things. You can eat with your chapati or kubus, and you can eat with your rice. I just add little bit salt, so you can add little bit more because you have to add 1 liter water. So It's fry almost look different now. So now you can add your water. Fry proper. Yeah, it's long time ago I didn't cook anything because I'm very busy. Our busy day, and it's this time is very hot also. In kitchen, everywhere it's hot. The hot temperature is almost like 47 degrees in Dubai. So I don't like to cook really summertime, but sometime, yeah. Now you can add your water. Yeah, how much you need a soup, that much you can add your water. So yeah, this is 1 liter water I add because I have almost 1 kg chicken, so I add 1 liter water, little bit cooked and little bit the water dry, soak with chicken and potato. And before you take, you can add your cabbage now. Don't cook your cabbage proper, just like raw. Before you take, you can add your cabbage and you can just mix with all only like 2-3 minutes. Then you can take out your chicken. It's ready. Your tinola's recipe is ready. See, it's very easy. I didn't put anything, just salt. Yeah, you can add your Maggi cube also. So this is my recipe. You can try at your home when you like to try this recipe. Yeah, now it's done. See, it's very easy. I didn't add any masala, anything. Just fried chicken, and I put potato. Then before I take, I put cabbage, salt, Maggi cube. That's it. Yeah, my tinola is ready now. It's done. Ta-da! It look like this. Yeah, my chicken tinola little bit look like brown or dark the soup because I fry a little bit more the onion. That's why I look like this. Anyways, guys, I hope you like it, my recipe. Please like and comment my recipe. Do you like it or not? You can add your whatever you like. I need you. See, now it's done, my recipe. So I'm going to serve myself. I like to eat with kubus. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and you can share, and you can save my recipe too if you like it. Sometime you can try at home. Thank you guys for watching my tinola. It look like this. Ta-da! See you again next video.